Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a flyer on Canva. Whether you're creating flyers for an event, a promotion, or marketing your business, Canva is an easy and powerful tool that can help you create professional-looking flyers in no time. We'll start right from the Canva homepage, so you can follow along step by step. First, go ahead and click Create on the Canva homepage. Then use the search bar to look for flyers. This will pull up design sizes specifically tailored for flyers, so you're starting with the right canvas right away. It's important to start with the correct size, as it will make designing much easier. Before you jump into designing, the first step is to choose your size. The standard portrait option is 8.5 by 11 inches, which is perfect for most posters and handouts. This size works great for events, promotions, or any flyer you plan to print and distribute. If your layout works better horizontally, you can easily switch to landscape. Landscape is often preferred for things like brochures or flyers, where you want more room to spread out content. Additionally, you can set custom dimensions, such as 5 by 7 or 6 by 9 inches, if you're designing for different regions or want a smaller, more manageable flyer size. It's all about picking the size that fits your purpose and where the flyer will be displayed. Next, let's pick a template as your starting point. Canva has a wide range of pre-designed templates that can save you time and help spark creativity. Browse through categories like business, party, or real estate to find a layout that matches your vibe or the event you're promoting. Templates are fully customizable, so focus on the structure and overall style rather than worrying about the exact content. Pick one with a layout that makes your message easy to scan. This will ensure your flyer communicates the key points clearly and quickly. Now, it's time to customize the visuals. For images, you can either upload your own by clicking the Upload tab, or search Canva's extensive library in Elements for images, icons, or illustrations. Canva has tons of high-quality stock images that you can use for free or purchase for a small fee. Once you've selected your images, drag them onto the page and use crop or positioning tools to frame them nicely. If you're short on time or want to add some polish to your design, try using Magic Studio tools. Magic Edit is great for swapping out objects in a photo, such as changing the color of a product or replacing an image with a different one. Magic Eraser can help you remove distracting elements in the background, ensuring your flyer looks clean and professional. Remember, subtle tweaks to your images can make a big difference, so aim for visuals that are clean and consistent throughout your flyer. If you have brand assets, such as logos or color schemes, now's the time to apply them. Adding your brand colors and logo helps maintain consistency with your business's identity and makes your flyer look more professional. If you're a pro user, you can use the brand kit to instantly apply your brand fonts and color palettes to the design. This feature is a huge time saver and ensures your flyer stays on brand with minimal effort. Now, let's focus on adding content. Click on the existing text boxes to edit the headline, body copy, and contact details. Keep body text at 10 points or larger for readability. A good range is usually 12 to 16 points, with headlines much larger to grab attention. When selecting fonts, choose ones that complement each other. Use one font for headings and another for body text. This helps create a clear distinction between sections and makes your flyer easier to read. Also, be mindful of contrast between the text and background. Strong contrast ensures your text is legible and easy to read at a glance. Use hierarchy to guide attention on the flyer. Make the most important details, such as a sale or event date, the largest and boldest element. This draws the reader's eye right to the key information. Place the most important details high on the page, where they will be seen first. Be sure to keep the spacing generous between text and images to avoid a cluttered look. Align elements neatly to make the layout look intentional and easy to scan. A well-aligned flyer feels organized and professional, which will make it more effective. When you're happy with your design, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG or JPG if you're sharing your flyer digitally, like through email or social media. These formats are perfect for online use and ensure your flyer loads quickly. For printing, select PDF Print for the sharpest results. This format gives you high-resolution files that will look great when printed. Once your file is saved, do a quick preview to check for any final adjustments, and then you're ready to share your flyer or send it to the printer.
And that's it. You've successfully created a flyer on Canva that looks professional and is ready to be shared. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you design your own amazing flyers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.